Panasonic has launched a few new camcorders for 2011, starting off with two of their first ever pistol grip camcorders. Now this one is the Panasonic HX DC10. It's got a 5x optical zoom. It shoots video in full HD, that's 1080p resolution. It can also capture 16 megapixels stills, and it has a 2.7-inch LCD there on the rear. If I put that one down and move over to the WA10. Now this one's very similar to the DC10, but this one's waterproof for depths up to 3 meters. It's got the same 5x optical zoom. It can capture full HD video and 16 megapixel stills, but it's only got a 2.5-inch LCD. Now over here we have a more typical pocket camcorder design. We've got the Panasonic HM-TA20 and the Panasonic HM-TA2. Now these both shoot HD video at 1080p resolution and save files through the MP4 format. They both have touch screens which measure 3 inches from corner to corner. They're both able to shoot 8 megapixel stills, but the difference between the TA20 and the TA2 are really that the TA20 is waterproof, and again it's able to be plunged to depths of 3 meters. And both these cameras have night view mode, which I guess you might want to use for nighttime wildlife photography. So that's the TA20, the TA2, the HX10 and the WA10. You can find out more details about these pocket camcorders and full lab-based reviews of HD camcorders on our website at which.co.uk/camcorders.